The Mansory F8XX Spider has sparked controversy and fascination in equal measure as a highly customized version of the Ferrari F8 Spider, pushing boundaries and redefining luxury automotive modification. Known for their extravagant and often polarizing transformations, Mansory has taken the already stunning F8 Spider and imbued it with their distinctive blend of opulence and performance enhancements. Originally unveiled as a pinnacle of Italian automotive engineering, the Ferrari F8 Spider combines breathtaking design with formidable performance capabilities. With its twin-turbo V8 engine delivering exhilarating power and a convertible roof for open-air driving pleasure, the F8 Spider has earned acclaim as a supercar that excites both on the road and on the track. The Mansory F8XX Spider, however, represents a departure from Ferrari's original vision, featuring extensive modifications that have divided opinions among enthusiasts and critics alike. From its aggressive body kit with widened fenders and redesigned aerodynamic elements to its custom interior adorned with luxurious materials and bespoke finishes, the F8XX Spider exudes a bold and distinctive presence on the road. Under the hood, Mansory has enhanced the performance of the F8XX Spider with additional horsepower and torque, elevating its already impressive performance metrics to new heights. Custom exhaust systems, upgraded suspension components, and lightweight forged wheels further enhance the driving dynamics and handling characteristics of the modified supercar. Visually, the Mansory F8XX Spider commands attention with its striking appearance and attention to detail. The exterior modifications, while controversial, aim to enhance aerodynamic efficiency and visual appeal, turning heads wherever it goes. Custom paint finishes and unique livery options cater to discerning customers seeking individuality and exclusivity in their automotive choices. Inside the cabin, the F8XX Spider offers a sumptuous and technologically advanced environment designed to pamper occupants with luxury and comfort. Premium leather upholstery, carbon fiber trim accents, and state-of-the-art infotainment systems create an ambience of sophistication and refinement, ensuring that every journey in the F8XX Spider is as enjoyable as it is exhilarating. Despite its divisive nature, the Mansory F8XX Spider represents the pinnacle of automotive customization and personalization, appealing to collectors and enthusiasts who appreciate bespoke craftsmanship and exclusive design. Each F8XX Spider is a unique expression of its owner's taste and preferences, reflecting Mansory's dedication to pushing the boundaries of what's possible in automotive luxury and performance. As discussions surrounding the Mansory F8XX Spider continue within the automotive community, opinions vary on its impact and significance in the world of high-performance supercars. While some applaud Mansory's bold approach to customization, others debate the merits of modifying a masterpiece like the Ferrari F8 Spider. In conclusion, the Mansory F8XX Spider stands as a provocative example of automotive excess and innovation, challenging conventions and sparking debate among enthusiasts and critics alike. Whether admired for its audacious design or criticized for straying from Ferrari's original concept, the F8XX Spider exemplifies Mansory's commitment to redefining luxury and performance through meticulous craftsmanship and uncompromising attention to detail.